Blizzard 02. 06? Shit. Take two. The Blizzard of 2006. It's a little windy out here. Let's see if I can make it down the steps. Ooh, that wasn't pretty. It's still coming down, and there's very little traffic. I see a dog. I see a dog and a person and an SUV. Oh, it's very hard to walk. Take a moment. Okay, let's keep going. I'm going up to get some Kleenex because I seem to have developed a cold. It's very exciting. Not as exciting as this snowstorm. Okay. Oh, almost fell. Okay, made it to Houston, which is not very far. You can see how much snow is on the trucks. I'm about to have an encounter with a snowblower. Okay, I picked up my Kleenex, and I thought I'd take a detour down Downing Street, which is pretty snowy. There's a snowblower. And the snow keeps coming down. I like it. Very elemental.